Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to speak about the parabolas. Start with the definition of the parabola. This is the shape of the quadratic equation or a quadratic function, x to power 2 or y equal or y to power 2 equal 4by or 4bx as the general form of the equation. But let's start with the definition of the parabola. The parabola is the set of points, as a set of points in a plane that are equidistant from fixed point or fixed line called the directrix and a fixed point named the focus, not on the directrix. So the parabola is a set of points in a plane that are equidistant or equidistant from a fixed line. Let's take this shape. We have set of points. This is the line called the directrix, and this is the point. So if we have a line and a fixed point, and if we take all the points that are equidistant from these two items, I have one point there and we have line. If we take one point, that will be the same distance from the point and the same distance from the line. And this condition, if it is satisfied for all the sets, then we'll have something called parabola. So the parabola is set of points in the plane that are equidistant. The distance from the point and the given fixed and the line are the same. It's the same distance. If this is equal to 4, this is equal to 4. If this is equal to 3, this will be equal to 3. And this condition must be satisfied for all the points. They must have the same distance from the fixed point, and that point is called the focus point, and the line, which is called the directrix. So this is the parabola. For the parabola, we have different forms. This parabola can be open on the positive x-axis, or negative x-axis, or upward in the positive y-axis or negative y-axis. So in the first case, if the axis of symmetry is the y-axis, we say that the axis of symmetry is the line that passing through the focus and the vertex. This is the focus. This point, the midpoint between the focus and the directrix equals the vertex. And the distance between the focus and the vertex is called B. So this is B. Now, if the axis of symmetry, which is this line, which is this one also will be in this shape. If the axis of symmetry is the y-axis, the axis of symmetry is the y-axis means the parabola will be either open to the right, because this will be the axis of symmetry, the y-axis. So this is the x-axis. It should be upward or downward. This is the axis of symmetry, the y-axis. So the parabola either will be open up or open down. The standard form of the equation of a parabola with vertex 0, 0, if the vertex 0, 0 is the origin, and the y-axis as its axis of symmetry is given by x squared equal to 4 by or 4by. So the equation of the parabola where the axis of symmetry is the y-axis is given by x squared equal to 4by. And this can be either upward or downward, depending on the sign of P. If b is positive, then the graph is up. If b is negative, then the graph of the parabola will be down. Focus point is given by 0 and b, and the directrix is y equal to minus b. This is, can see graph. This is x squared equal to 4by. B is positive. We can see that the parabola is open upward. And if b is negative, then it is downward. And you can see the y-axis is the axis of symmetry. Now, if the x-axis is the axis of symmetry, the parabola will be open to the right if b is positive, or to the left if b is negative, and the equation given by y squared equal to 4bx, or y squared equal to 4b. This is if the x-axis is the axis of symmetry. So we can say in general two forms. Either the parabola will be horizontal, to be open to the left or to the right. This is if the x-axis is the axis of symmetry, or it is vertical, upward or downward. And the equation given by x squared equal to 4by. And if b is positive, it will be upward. If it is negative, it will be downward. For the other type, y squared equal to 4bx, this is horizontal, open to the right if b is positive, or open to the left if b is negative, and the vertex is at the origin, 0, 0. So this form, y squared equal to 4bx, means the vertex is 0 and 0. And for each one of them, we have to find the focus point and the directrix. For example, the first one. If it is upward, the focus point is 0b, directrix is y equal to minus b. If it is downward, the focus point will be fb, 0b, and directrix is y equal to minus b, but b is negative. That's why when y equal to minus b is positive number. Same thing, if it is horizontal on the x-axis, the focus point is b, 0, and directrix is x equal to minus b. Let's have some examples how to find these properties for some parabolas. In the given exercises, find the vertex, focus, and directrix of the parabola given by each equation. And we need to sketch the graph. Question number 3. I have x squared equal to minus 4y. Look at one thing here. The x squared, this one. If we go back to see which form has x to the power 2. It is x squared equal to 4by. So x squared means the parabola will be vertical. It will be either upward or downward. So I have x squared equal to minus 4y. Now the general form for this one is x squared equal to 4by. So if we take these two together, I will have minus 4 equal to 4b. This is minus 4y, and this is 4by. We just make the two equations are equal, we will see that minus 4 equal to 4b, which means this will give me b equal to minus 1. So I have b equal to minus 1. So the vertical or the parabola is downward. It is down. Now I have p. So number 1, we found b. We know it is down. So we need to find the vertex first. Vertex will be 0 and 0. The coordinate of the vertex are the number with the x and y. Since we don't have anything with y, nothing with x, so it is 0 and 0. Number 2, focus point. It is F. Since it is down, if we go back to see, the focus is given by this one. This point is 0B. For the vertical, either upward or downward, the focus is 0 and B. So it is 0 and B, which is equal to 0 and minus 1. The focus point is 0 and minus 1. Number 3, directrix. We say it is down, so it is y equal to minus b. That will be give what that will give y equal to minus with minus 1 equal to 1. So y equal to 1. Now we can sketch the parabola. The vertex is 0, 0. Focus point is 0 and minus 1. This is 0 and minus 1. All the time, focus will be inside the parabola. Inside. So this should be going like this. Vertex is 0, 0, and the focus is inside the parabola, and the directrix will be the other side. To be this line, y equal to 1. And the axis of symmetry is the y-axis. Take the second example. Example number 4. 2y squared equal to x. Number 4. Equal to x. So in the first step, I have to write it in the standard form, which is y squared divided by 2 will be 1/2 x. Now I have y squared. Y squared, it means we have horizontal parabola. It will be open either to the left or to the right. So to check which direction will be the parabola, we have to write the general form of the equation. We know it is y squared equal to 4px. From equating this with the general form, we will have 4b equal to 1/2. This one is equal to 1/2 in the general form. 1/2 equal to 4b. It means that b will be, we divide by 4, we will get b equal to 1/8. Now b is positive. B is equal to 1/8. Positive, so it is upward. The parabola will be upward. So number 1, we know that the vertex B will be 0 and 0. It is 0 and 0. Number 2, So this is it is upward. No, it is not upward. This is to the right. It will be open to the right. Vertex 0, 0. Now the focus point F is given by B and 0. P and 0, which is equal to 1 over 8 and 0. It is 1 over 8 and 0. Number 3, we need to find the directrix. That will be x equal to minus p, which is equal to x equal to minus 1 over 8. So we can sketch the parabola now. The vertex is 0, 0. Focus point is p and 0, which is 1 over 8 and 0. This is the focus point. And the focus point must be inside the parabola. We take this shape. And the directrix at minus 8, this is x equal to minus 1 over 8. Minus 1 over 8, not minus 8. X equal to minus b, which is equal to x equal to minus 8. So this will be the sketch of the parabola. Let's take one more, question number 5. Question number 5. We have y squared equal to 1/3 x. One-third x. The general form is y squared equal to 4bx, which means 4b is equal to 1/3. So 4b is equal to 1/3. This will give me p is equal to 1 over 12, greater than 0. So p is 1 over 12 greater than 0. It means the parabola will be to the right. I have something like this one. To the right. So let's find the focus point will be, or number 1, vertex. V is 0 and 0. Number 2, focus point F is P and 0, which is equal to 1 over 12 and 0. Number 3, directrix. X will be minus P, that will give me x equal to minus 1 over 12. So we have the xy plane, vertex 0 and 0. The focus point will be 1 over 12 and 0. And the focus must be inside the parabola. So it will be inside. And the directrix is equal to x equal to minus b, which is minus 1 over 12. So this is the graph of the equation y squared equal to 1/3 x. The parabola given by the equation y squared equal to 1/3 x. If we have y to power 2, it means the parabola will be open to the left or to the right. If we have x to power 2, the parabola will be open to the or upward or downward.